So we're here at the Australian National Botanic Gardens in Canberra, and what we're lucky to have here is an incredibly diverse collection of Australian plants. That collection is more than 5,000 species strong, and it covers the length and breadth of the country. One of the really valuable parts of the collection that we have here is that many of the plants that we've collected have provenance and a history, and that provenance can have significant impacts for conservation, history, and securing the future of some of our most valuable natural capital. In front of me here is a really good example of how this all comes together. Recently we were contacted by some ecologists up in the Oxy Wild Rivers area who were doing research post fairly intense fire that we've all heard about recently. Some of the endemic threatened species in that area, they haven't seen them recover after the fire, and they're suggesting that they could potentially be extinct in the wild. Luckily, several years ago, we went out and collected some of the material from that particular area, and in front of me here is an example of one of the plants, very rare, only occurs in that area, possibly now extinct, and we've got it secured here in our collection. But there's more to it than that. We've also got all the information of exactly where it was collected in the landscape, the topography, and all that reference material from our collecting event, and that's all connected to the accession number that we have here on the plants we have in our living collection. So should we be called on for reintroducing something like this back into the landscape, if there's the unfortunate scenario of the plants no longer thriving or alive in the landscape, this is also the building blocks and the material that we can propagate from and reintroduce back into that landscape, helping to secure the future of some of the rarest Australian plants that we have.